everyone, Mrs. Medina here. Okay, so this video tutorial is going to show you how to copy your program from the MakeCode website to the actual microbit component. Okay, so this video is going to be good for 7th and 8th grade. So in this example here, I'm going to use a Hummingbird kit. So I have my battery pack, my bread box, my microbit, and my USB cable that's plugged into my microbit into the USB port in the Chromebook. Again, this video is good for 7th and 8th grade, okay? So once I write my program, I need to download it. So you need to make sure first that your program has an appropriate name, okay? So this example here, the program is called Practice. And after I name it, I'm going to download it, and it's going to download the program as a hex file to the actual downloads folder on the Chromebook. Okay, so it's going to open up the Files app, and you can see here that I have a program called microbit-practice.hex. All right, so that's the name of my program. Now, here is another copy of my program, but this copy is called microbit-practice parentheses 1. And this version would be the most current version of the program. So what I can do is I can hit save. All right. And then I'm going to click show in folder. All right. Now I have 2 copies of my program, but they're different. So this is the most recent copy of the program. Now, in order for me to see the output on my physical microbit, what I have to do is I have to click on the hex file, all right, the program that is the most recent copy, and I'm going to drag it over to the microbit drive here on the left. Now, the reason why you see the microbit drive here is because my USB cable is plugged into the USB port, all right? This cable, this white cable or the USB cable is plugged into the USB port on the Chromebook. So what I have to do is click once on the hex file, the program, and drag it over to the microbit drive. And when I click and drag, you'll notice you'll get a message saying copying, and my yellow light on the microbit is flashing. So that means that it is loading the program to the physical board. Once it stops blinking, that means it completed. And you'll also see a message saying that it was completed. Now, what I need to do on my physical device is trigger the program to start. So my program says that it will start when button A is pressed. So on the microbit, if I tap button A, I'm going to see my output. Okay, so the most important thing is for you to know how to drag that hex file, the program, over to the microbit drive using the Files app. Now I'm going to show you where the Files app is located in case you need to get to it without being prompted. So if you click on the launcher at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, it's a circle, and you click on the up arrow right in the middle of your screen, you'll see the Files app. And the Files app will open up the downloads folder, and it will also open up the microbit drive. So if I double click on the downloads folder, I see my 2 programs. At this point here, I can click and drag it to my microbit drive. All right. If you wanted to upload your program to Drive, you can also do that as well. All right. You can click on your program and move it over to Drive, and it'll upload your program to Drive. So you can also do that in addition to saving it to your microbit. All right. So that's how you would transfer your program to your physical board. I hope you found this screencast helpful.